Hi, students. My name is Lori Albrizio, and I'm a Broward College faculty librarian on the South Campus. And it's my pleasure to be here today to just briefly introduce myself as your embedded librarian for your POS 2041 class. What exactly does that mean? Basically, I am a resource for students right within your course shell for anything that has to do with research or with citation, and particularly APA citation, which is what your professor, Professor Hebert, will require you to use for your writing assignments in this class. The purpose of the video today is really just to walk you through a couple of places right within your course shell where you can get help and get access to resources. So we'll start with that. So here, you'll see that within the course shell, you've got a writing assignments folder. I'm going to go ahead and come up here to content. And we'll start here in the writing assignments folder. So there are a few things here that will assist you with your upcoming writing assignments. The first thing listed here is a writing assignment template. When you click on this link, you'll see that Professor Hebert and I have provided you with a template that you can use for your writing assignments to ensure that the formatting is exactly as she expects it. So when you're ready to write your paper, you can download the template here directly from your course shell, and then you'll be good to go. And you'll make sure that the assignment is formatted exactly as Professor Hebert expects. Okay, so back here to the writing assignments folder, let's go ahead and scroll down and take a look at the research and writing help section. So we've got two sections here, library help and academic success center help. The primary difference between the two is that the library can help you, as it says here, with research and with APA citation. And the Academic Success Center, and specifically the Writing Lab, will be able to help you with the writing itself. So writing tutors are available to help students with organization, with grammar, and with other things that have to do specifically with the writing process. So I'm going to focus on the library resources for this walkthrough, and I'll click on the folder here just to show you a couple of good places to begin your research for a current events article for writing assignment 1 and writing assignment 2. So you'll see the first link here is a link directly to the library databases, and specifically to the ones that have news and current events. So when you click on that link, it is going to open up into a new tab, and you will see here there are 18 databases within the library where you can find news articles. Now, remember that you have to make sure that these articles are related somewhat to politics, United States politics, and United States government. So I would recommend starting perhaps with America's News here. But any of the ones in the best bets, even opposing viewpoints, might be a good place to start. And when you click on any one of these links, it will take you into the database, and then you will be able to begin your searching. Back here to the library folder, I'd also like to point out that I provide you with a link to Google News. So when you click on Google News, it does take you into a place where you can search specifically for news articles and current events articles. And there are some filters on the left-hand side here that can help you as well. For example, you can click on US to make sure that you're looking specifically at articles from the United States or that deal with United States issues. And then, of course, you can come up here and do more specific searching for terms such as United States politics, United States government, or any of the key terms that Professor Hebert put in red at the bottom of each of your writing assignments that have to do specifically with the modules. Now, the other resources here in the course shell that should be helpful, we do have an APA style guide here, which will help you with how to format your citations within your writing assignments, including your in-text citations. And then last but certainly not least, you do have this Need Help Ask Lori link here, which will allow you to see my specific office hours here on my profile page. So you'll see here that there is a link where you can email me at my Broward College email address. The purple link is where you can get access to my student appointment calendar and sign up for student appointments. And then you have my phone number here where you can either call or text me for assistance as well. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me if I can be of any assistance to you in this class or any other classes here at Broward College. Bye for now.